Let us have a refresh on the concept of financial leverage ratio. Leverage ratio or financial leverage ratio are used to measure the ability of the business to use debt or liabilities in maximizing the shareholders' value. So there are multiple techniques or mechanisms available to a business to leverage its liability and to maximize its profit. Now let's answer question number 4. It refers to the practice of financing assets with borrowed capital. Its extensive use may impact on return on shareholder equity to be above or below the return on total assets. Letter A and letter B here is incorrect because discounting and mortgage is used to raise capital through borrowing. Letter D is incorrect because arbitrage is used if you are buying and selling securities. Letter C is the correct answer here because leverage refers to the practice of financing assets with debts. If the return on common equity is greater than the return on assets, that will result to a positive leverage. Otherwise, if the return on common equity is less than the return on asset, that will going to result on a negative leverage. So what is a positive or a negative leverage? A positive leverage will going to arise when a business or individual borrows funds and then invest the funds at a higher rate than the rate at which they were borrowed. Meaning to say you will earn a higher interest rate compared to the interest rate of your liability.